This is something like the box camera I used in the war. I never did ask whether I was allowed to use a camera in some of the positions we were in, but we got a lot of photographs, and they're still with me today. It's incredible to see the advances in technology. All the equipment has changed so much and given us so much more freedom and ability to deal with the home front. And I think it's very, very interesting to have a look at this old camera and think of those days, what, 70 years ago? Amazing.